Good morning, Alex. Your coffee is ready.
Thank you. I have no time for breakfast.
Good morning. Breakfast is ready.
It smells amazing. Thank you so much.
You are always so busy these days.
I know. But work is important.
Sit with me. We have 15 minutes.
I love our morning talks so much.
The driver is waiting. I must go.
Okay, have a productive day. Wait, I made you a sandwich.
You are the best wife in the world.
Traffic is heavy today, sir. It doesn't matter. Just keep driving. Please take my seat. I can stand.
Oh, thank you so much, young man.
So much space, and so alone. Here, take half of mine. You need it more.
What a beautiful evening to walk home.
Can you cut the tomatoes for me?
Sure. Cooking with you is fun.
The chef made everything cold again.
Just eat it. I have no time to complain.
You wash, and I will dry them.
Teamwork makes everything better.
Let's clean these dishes together tonight.
The dishwasher can do it. I am too tired.
This movie makes me laugh every time.
Because we always watch it together.
But so far apart.
Yes, speaking. I need that report now. Good night, my love. Sweet dreams.
You are my sweetest dream.
Good night, Alex.
Are you listening?
Sleep well.